name is Ben, taking you back up to the main building. Hope you had a nice time in the rain forest. I'm going to point out some things along the way to enjoy. Now at the front of the cabin, if you're at the front window here, you might be able to see Katoomba waterfall up ahead, about 1 o'clock. Looking pretty good today. Fair bit of water. Had a little bit of rainfall over the week, so it's filled up a little bit for us. Katoomba waterfall is fed by a natural underground spring, so there is always water flowing out of that one. On your right hand side, you might have noticed the world famous Three Sisters following us up to the top there. Good time of day to see them. You've got the sunshine on them. Good photo opportunity. Cableway, Wimmera and Gunny-Doo are their traditional indigenous names.
There's one off to the bottom, yes, but there's 3 main ones. They've got a I don't know if you can see it from here now. It's just back in there. It was the one we saw when we came over. You'll see Katoomba waterfalls when we go back over. So when we go across in the thing that you might
Alright, as you come through the towers here, there's a bit of a swing, so enjoy it. Back in the sunshine. Yay! Wow.
How about that?
Amazing.
You can, but there's probably a slipping line for people going down the way.
Alright guys, welcome back to the main building. Alright guys, welcome on to the Cableway. My name is Ben, taking you back up to the main building. Hope you had a nice time in the rain forest. I'm going to point out some things along the way to enjoy. Now at the front of the cabin, if you're at the front window here, you might be able to see Katoomba waterfall up ahead, about 1 o'clock. Looking pretty good today. Fair bit of water. Had a little bit of rainfall over the week, so it's filled up a little bit for us. Katoomba waterfall is fed by a natural underground spring, so there is always water flowing out of that one. On your right hand side, you might have noticed the world famous Three Sisters following us up to the top there. Good time of day to see them. You've got the sunshine on them. Good photo opportunity. Wimmera and Gunny-Doo are their traditional indigenous names.
One off to the bottom, yes, but there's 3 main ones. You've got to look back around. I don't know if you can see it from here now. It's just back in there. It was the one we saw when we came over. No, I wasn't. You'll see Katoomba waterfalls when we go back over. So when we go across in the thing that you might see
Alright, as you come through the towers here, there's a bit of a swing, so enjoy it. Back in the sunshine. Yay! Wow.
How about that?
Amazing.
You can, but there's probably a slipping line for people going down the way.
Alright guys, welcome back to the main building. As we dock, you'll be on level 1.